This is the first lesson in our Fundamentals of Math Literacy class. We're dealing with Chapter 1, which is whole numbers. We use a convention called rounding numbers when we do not need an exact figure. Rounding a number is an approximation of the number. The procedure to round a number is shown below. Underline the digit with the place value to which the number will be rounded, such as to the nearest million or to the nearest thousand. If the digit directly to the right is less than 5, keep the digit underlined in step 1 and replace all the digits to the right with 0. If the digit directly to the right is 5 or greater, increase the digit underlined in step 1 by 1 and replace all the digits to the right with zeros. Now let's look at some examples of rounding numbers. I want to round the number 7,493 to the nearest hundred. So let's look at the digit directly to the right of the place you are rounding to. Since we're rounding to the hundreds place where the 4 is, I want to look to the number to the right, which is the number 9 in the tens place. Since the digit 9 is greater than 5, we add 1 to the number in the hundreds place, making it 5, and replace all the digits to the right with zeros. So 7,493 rounded to the nearest hundred is 7,500. In example 2, I want to round 1,574,321 to the nearest 10,000. So I want to look at the digit directly to the right of the place I'm rounding to. The number in the 10,000s place is 7, so I want to look to the number directly to the right of the 7, which is a 4 in the thousands place. The digit 4 is less than 5, so we leave the digit in the 10,000 place alone and replace all the digits to the right with zeros. So 1,574,321 to the nearest 10,000 is 1,270,000. Sometimes we do not need an exact number, but we need an estimate. And we get estimates all the time from car mechanics, from carpenters, and other tradespeople. Estimates are good for adding a column of numbers when an exact value is not needed. To calculate an estimate, you round each number to the highest place value. So in the example, I want to estimate each number: 375, 2019, 496,441. The solution: 375, we round it to the hundreds place, rounds to 400. 2019, we're rounding to the highest place value, which is thousands, and that rounds to 2,000. 496,441, we want to round to the highest place value, which is the hundred thousands place, and that becomes 500,000.